What's up, peeps? It's your girl Queen L. Whoop, whoop, whoop. And this is
Tweezy.
And today is a vlog. It is a vlog. Me and my boo is in the streets. In the streets. I'm joking. We ain't got much to do. Well, we have plenty to do, but we don't have much to do out in the street that I know of until I think of something.
We have plenty to do.
Yeah, we do. Let me stop. Okay. Like I was telling y'all on my video, when I was eating the breakfast, my ferns have grown out, almost out of the flower pots. So I have to find bigger flower pots for those, for the 3 ferns I have. And I thought that I had $10 Kohl's cash. And so I was like, oh man, I got $10 Kohl's cash. Let me go and spend them $10. Found out by Tweezy, he looked on his app, I've been spent them $10 Kohl's cash. They been spent. Been spent. So, okay, I still want to go in Kohl's or somewhere to find me some real earrings. Tweezy gave me a pair. Y'all remember, for Valentine's Day, he gave me a pair of earrings that were nice. And I lost one. Well, I bought myself another pair of earrings and ended up losing one. So I don't know what's going on with me keep losing one of the earrings. I don't know what's happening, but I need to buy another pair. This time when I get them, I need to ask them, what can I do for extra?
I think it's getting caught in your hair.
You think it's getting caught in my hair and it's just kind of dangling off? That could be the problem. But I was going to ask whoever is in the jewelry department, what can I do to secure them better to where I won't lose them? Because y'all know, and I know, you don't like to lose something you like, especially your favorite earrings. Now these, I got these from Kohl's as well, but they weren't real sterling silver. They weren't real. They were the, you know, what is it? It ain't real, but
plated.
Yeah, like a plated kind of thing. So after a while, they will change. I need something that won't change. So that's what I need. All right. So which store we going in first? Which store we going in first?
That's up to you.
All right.
Walmart is closest.
All right. Well, we're gonna run to Walmart. We might need to run to Lowe's to get the flower pot. What you think? Because I didn't see any bigger ones at Walmart. When I got those, I didn't see any bigger than those. So we're gonna go on Lowe's right quick, and we will vlog Lowe's as much as we can. Okay. We can go in this way. We go in this way, the back. Oh, okay. Oh, kind of nice plants, y'all. Ooh, now I like that one right there, that hanging one. That is gorgeous. I love that. That's pretty. Okay. Yeah, these are nice. Them are very pretty. Ain't that? Oh, look at them. Them purple ones pretty. Look at that plant.
They didn't have all these last time.
No, they didn't have all these when I was buying mine. What in the world? Shoot, I'd have had this. These are so gorgeous. Oh my goodness. Yes, yes, yes. Them are nice too. Real nice. The perennials. They come back year after year. My grandma said I need to get something that come back year after year. I might have to go and get me some of these perennials. I might need me a buggy. Especially if it's coming back year after year. Okay. Did I say it right? Yeah. Them are perennials also. Ooh, look at that. That is pretty. That's the elephant plant, ain't it? That's the elephant plant. Oh, I like these. Ooh, now these are pretty. What do people use sod for? That sod over there, what people use that for?
For your grass.
Oh, okay. Oh, so that's actual grass right there.
That's what when you got just dirt, that's what they put down on for your grass.
So
That's what we got. Ours is sod.
okay, do we need more sod? Like what they playground it?
Yeah, we just waiting for it to grow in.
We waiting for it to grow. Oh, okay. But I was wondering. Okay, these are nice.
Don't grow in this summer again.
We'll have to come back and get some sod.
Okay.
Yeah, I hope so too. Yeah, we had a bobcat come through and add more dirt. These are beautiful to me, y'all. These are beautiful. So they added more dirt to even out our ground a little bit and in our backyard. And so now we're waiting on the grass to grow back. That's what we're waiting on. Y'all, these some nice plants. Nice. I think, like I said, I'm gonna get some perennials. At least one, maybe two of them. Cause my grandma always told me get something that'll come back so you don't end up buying the same plant over and over and over. And I bet they'll be pretty when it blooms. What all it say you gotta do for it?
6+ hours of direct sun.
Oh, okay. Okay. That might be big enough. I just really need to be deep. That should be deep enough, I think.
Should be. $9.98.
Yeah, I need 3 of them. It'll be the last 3.
Let me grab it.
Hold on 1 second. Let me see something else.
I'm gonna say this the last 3 though, so I'm out with this.
Oh, okay. Cause I was gonna say, you might can get me. How much are these? Cause I got the little hook things still from the other ones, and I can just hook it on this plastic. This little thing, it's little hooks. So 3 of them might be good, depending on the price difference. Cause those are pretty, but I mean, if them like $2, then that's great. I do like saving a little change. A little change. All right, we got the 3 that we need. Are you happy how fast we came in here and got what we needed?
Oh, we done?
Yes, we're done.
This one's a little different.
Is it different? Let's see.
It might be the same size. These got holes at the bottom.
That one I got holes. Oh, it's in the middle, I think.
I think so.
Those are nice. These would be nice for Mother's Day. If you're gonna get somebody something, that would be nice for Mother's Day. Especially that yellow one right there. Okay guys, we have left out of Lowe's. I know I told him that I wanted him to take me to Kohl's and different places, but I changed my mind. I'm gonna go home and get to my plants.
I thought you said about get home, get to me.
You too, but I need to get home to get to my plants so I can repot them in these buckets and rehang them up, water them. That's what I really need to do. Because it's about that time for watering. It's late in the evening. I haven't watered them all day. So that's what they need. I feel better about it once I've got them. Because I got them inside the pot and watered. Because I would hate for them to die. You know.
Yeah.
On the lack of that.
It is true.
On lack of water. So we will show you the plants when we get to the house. Okay guys, I know my front yard has a long way to go, but those are my ferns. Yes, I need to definitely change the baskets they're in. Yeah, I got a lot of gardening I have to get done. But yeah, that's what I'm about to do. Put them inside of the other buckets. Gonna have to take it loose on the side, so tear it up. So I have to take the chain off. I think I hear baby birds for the other one. But I really need to change it from that pot, the way it's looking, to this pot. Well, it looks a lot better in that one. I just got to go get the hooks. Tweezy, I'm scared for you. I'm scared for you. I'm scared for you. Put your shirt down. It's a bird just flew off and up there too. Don't do that. You might knock a bird down. Well, they left out. The bird left out. Okay. Whatever. Quit scaring me. Oh my goodness. Just tap my nerves up then.
Oh, that scared me.
What?
Got eggs in it.
It got eggs in it. Oh, a bug got on me. Okay.
What are we gonna do about these eggs?
The eggs. You see a whole nest with eggs. I don't know how to do that.
It can be moved with it.
Huh?
It can be moved.
It can be moved. Will it fit in there without hurting the eggs? Well, see if you can. If not, then we'll just leave it. The mama bird, I promise you, she's sitting around looking. She's sitting and looking to see what we're doing. But if you put it in there, she probably see us moving it into there and back on there. If we can do it without, you know, messing anything up.
Keep to the other side.
Babe, I'ma sit here. Babe, you so
now you
strong.
sit here.
You is so strong.
Man, that mama bird come out nowhere. You better fight back.
I'm a fighter.
Don't let her attack me.
I ain't. I got you.
I mean, these hooks in here.
3.
3 eggs.
3 little eggs. Well, we did know. It's in there.
See?
It's a little nest. I don't know if y'all can see it. 3 little eggs. Oh, we ain't gonna hurt it. We're gonna do what we can to leave it in here. But see, the fern dying because it's not deep enough. When I tell y'all I'm scared, I am scared. I'm looking around, trying to make sure Mama Bird don't get Tweezy, because I hate to have to fight Mama Bird. But I will understand Mama Bird's frustration.
I don't understand when it comes to
Ain't no understanding when it comes to you, boo. I know that's right.
be on go mode.
We got to be on go mode. Okay, we don't want Mama Bird to come and get us. But he said he can move it out of there for me. Yeah, I hear. Oh yeah, she up there. Look at her, y'all. She just flew away as soon as I put the camera on her. She looking. We ain't gonna hurt your babies. Is it in there? Okay, well we're good to go. All right, we got that in there. See y'all, these pots were never deep enough, but I put the soil around it and it just kind of sank to the bottom. All right, now I got to go find my hooks. Okay, we're gonna use these to snap back on there. Just find any good place and just stick it on and snap it. That's what I was talking about, y'all. These little things, just snap it on there. All right. Y'all dug a Daddy Bird watching old Tweezy. Daddy Bird is watching Tweezy. He got to water it. He ain't messing up the nest. Soon as Tweezy turned that hose on, y'all. Look at both of them. They got Mom and Daddy. They ain't gone far. They watching you. All right, you already did the third one? Okay, we can go and hang them up then. They done went to our neighbor's house and looking. They trying to see what we doing. It's not ready to hurt y'all babies. But they don't know that, so. That's it. Tweezy hanging y'all baby eggs back up there. Well, we did it, y'all. We did it. I'm so happy. I'm proud of Tweezy. I'm really proud of him. He just slapped me on my booty. Thank you, baby. And no birds were harmed in this project.
And Quinnell's about to take a walk around the neighborhood.
Oh, Lord. Guess I'm about to take a walk after we finish watering these flowers. In Walmart and Tweezy found the turkey wings. The turkey wings. You might get all of them.
In our area, they get hard.
Just get all the turkey wings.
We're gonna get all. We're gonna leave one.
We ain't gonna leave none. 0 zip. They don't leave us none. We be having a hard time finding turkey wings. We found our turkey wings. I'm so happy. I'm so happy, y'all. It's hard for us to find turkey wings. Don't leave one pack. Don't leave 0. Zip 0. Why you want to leave one? Get them turkey wings, baby. Ain't nobody. Look, they got 3 packs left. Y'all, I got them to go ahead on and get the rest of the turkey wings. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. Got turkey wings. The turkey wings. I'm happy. Y'all don't understand how hard it is for us to find them. Okay, guys, we have gotten back home and we'll show y'all the finished product at night. So far, we're not done by a long shot. We still have more to do, but we'll go ahead on and show y'all what we've gotten done so far. Okay, show you what we've done so far. It's hard to see, y'all, so my bad, but this is how it looks so far. Yep, that's what it is. We got a little ways to go.
Butterflies, Kenzie and Adrian.
Yeah, the butterflies right here, that's Kenzie and Adrian's. They picked them out. They wanted to light up butterflies. Alrighty. So guess what? Like, share, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell to be notified when we upload our newest videos. Peace out.